Okay, today we're going to talk about pitch as it relates to prosody in American English. So pitch is just kind of the rise and fall of our voice, whether it goes up or down. And we use pitch to emphasize certain words and to give certain meanings to our sentences. So let's go over the different common patterns of pitch. So first of all, for statements or commands, typically will rise a little bit in the middle and then fall at the end. For example, I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. So try to repeat it after me. So try to repeat the following sentences after me and notice how the pitch kind of rises a little bit and then falls. She just got a new job. They traveled to Europe last summer. He really enjoys playing guitar. We should leave around 6 o'clock. She finished her homework already. I think this recipe is delicious. He sold his old car last week. They're planning a party for Saturday. I need to get some more coffee. Okay, the second pattern that we're going to talk about is for yes/no questions. Those are simply questions that are usually answered by either a yes or a no. That's it. And they typically have a rising pattern at the end of the sentence. Your voice goes up on that last word. So practice these after me. Did you finish your homework? Are you feeling okay? Do you want some coffee? Should we call her now? Is it going to rain today? Are you coming to the party? Can I borrow your pen? Will you be home later? Have you seen my keys? Would you like to join us? All right, so the third type are WH questions. So what, where, when, why, who, how. In this case, the pitch kind of rises on the keyword and then falls slightly by the end. Let's practice some of those. Where are you going? What do you want to eat? When does the movie start? Who is coming with us? Why do they leave so early? How can I fix this problem? Which one do you prefer? Whose keys are on the table? Why didn't you call me? What time is your meeting? And then the fourth type that we're going to talk about are multi-syllable words, because the pitch usually falls at the end of the word when there are multiple syllables. For instance, the following sentence has interesting, proposal. See how both of those words, they kind of go up in the middle, but they fall by the end. So practice these sentences after me and try to imitate my prosody. This is an interesting proposal. She made a remarkable discovery. They found an incredible solution. He delivered a fantastic performance. We have a complicated schedule tomorrow. That was an impressive demonstration. We're planning an international vacation. She gave a wonderful explanation. He hosted a successful celebration. It's definitely an unforgettable experience.